Hi, I'm Carlo from Copper Wire Stripper. I'm the owner of Copper Wire Stripper Limited. We manufacture wire stripping equipment for the scrap industry. We've been manufacturing these machines for about 11 years. We have thousands of these machines in service, as well as our junior wire strippers and our CWS-1, which is our flagship machine. Let me give you a demonstration on how to strip copper wire. These machines are made for electricians, demo contractors, recycle companies, bin service company, anybody that has anything to do with scrap wire. Now let me show you how easy it is to strip this wire. Cuts right through it. Very quickly. So come and visit us at www.copperwirestripper.com.